Hello guys, so this is my Mercedes S320 1999, and I have been hearing some noises in the suspension, and most likely it's coming from the front end, and I will be checking it pretty soon. Also, I hear like a clicking sound whenever I change gears. I don't know if you can hear it. When I put it from reverse to drive or from drive to reverse. It's basically it's a sound like metal touching with metal. It's like a click that I hear from the. It's coming from the middle, and I'm suspecting it's the flex disc, which connects the transmission to the drive shaft, and the drive shaft, you know, goes to the differentials to move the wheels, the back wheels. So that's all, and I will see what's the issue, and we'll keep you posted. Thank you. The clicking that I was hearing most likely was coming from here, from the, as you can see, it doesn't look good. This is the flex disc. So this Mercedes has two. This one here on the front, which connects to the transmission, and has another one like this on the back, which connects to the differential. So since it's in neutral, I was able to spin this a little bit, and you can hear it. It's a really bad sound. Let's try to move this. Okay, so here. I don't think there should be this much play. Even the bushings are moving. The whole point of this is to absorb, and it doesn't seem to do that. I've seen much worse on YouTube, but this one also needs to be changed because of this clicking sound, and it's also not safe to keep it this way.